Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Binance on desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're done using Binance for a time being and you'd like to log out of your account since you're using the Binance account from one of your friends' computer or a public device, then it's pretty easy to do so. Simply go ahead and point over to the human icon in the top right hand corner from your home page, and from the expanded menu, click on Log Out. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Binance account on your desktop. To log back in again, you'll need to click on the login link at the top right hand and simply enter your email address and the password to log into your account, or you can also type in your mobile number and the password that is associated with your Binance account and click login. That is how you'll be able to log out of your Binance account if you're done using the account for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.